Yo, what is good, everyone? It's your boy Matt. That's right, back another Monday just for you guys. Let's go. I'm about to drop this today. We're going to learn how to do the fade from the top going down. We're going to start with my one, and I'll open it up, and I'm working right at that parietal ridge, coming straight up, not going into it, straight up. Like I said, guys, we're going to be doing this every Monday. It's your boy Matt, 7:30, G Weezy, educator for S.CRAFT and Gamma. Make sure you guys go check me out on my Instagram, 7:30 G Weezy. And I wanted to do a video like this because I haven't done it in a while, so I just want to show you guys. Like, subscribe, check this channel out, share it with your people, tell everyone to follow me. I got some free education. A lot of people in the industry want to charge just to even talk on the phone, but I ain't like that. So I love this industry. I want to do more for the industry, so if anyone has anything I could help you with, let me know. So we took my one open, we start at the top. As you can see, we created no guidelines. We're not going to do any guidelines on this haircut. I had my one open. I started where I wanted my one open, not at the bottom, and I just started flicking out up C-scoop motions right at that parietal ridge, but I'm not going into the turn of the head. We're going to keep this nice and square. Everyone says it's the flick of the wrist, C-scoop motion. As long as you do that, you will never, ever, ever create any line. So I started with my one open, closed it. I threw my 16th, my zero guard on, and then I just started fading down from there. Now, as you can see, I'm not taking my guards all the way to the bottom because there's no point. If that makes any sense, there's no point of taking my one guard and going from the bottom of the head all the way up because there's never going to be a one there. It's going to be skin. So I started with my one open, one closed, my 16th closed, because I rarely ever open my 16th. As soon as I was done with my 16th, I'll take all my guards off, open my lever, close my lever, and then I'll grab my trimmers and hit that bottom. Then after that bottom, I'll grab my shaver and shaver bald the bottom. Now, the trick of this is not going to the next guard or the next level without creating a line. And how we do this is we create a C-scoop motion and we flick out, and we never quite go as high as the last guard, if that makes any sense. So what I usually do is I know where I want my starting point to be, where I want my fade to start. And as long as I take every guard, I start at the same spot and I have the same motion through the flick of my wrist, there will be a flawless blend there. But again, this is something that you have to practice at, and after that you'll get really good at it. And to tell you the truth, when I fade this way, I'll snap out 17 haircuts in a day, 18 haircuts in a day, quick too. I could do them in 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, real fast. I mean, when I edited this, I didn't cut too much stuff out, but I mean, it's only been playing for like 4 minutes right now, and this whole side of his head is done. The only thing I really cut out was me taking my guard off, putting a new guard on, and going. And you guys know that takes 1 second. So that's really all I'm cutting out. Needless to say, Nolan, my boy here, comes in every single week. So he doesn't have a lot of hair, but as long as you use the same techniques every time and you get good with it, you're going to start to see your times get lower and lower. You're going to get faster and faster. So I like to do different techniques all the time because that's how I keep my game sharp. And sometimes when I switch back to a different technique, I'm like, oh damn, I got quicker with this. So I just try to change stuff up all the time. It makes yourself better. But if you're a newer barber, I probably wouldn't start doing this. I would probably start with creating the guidelines so you can see how you're creating that gradients or blend. But if you guys got that down, you've been doing this for a little while, jump into it. Try to do something like this. It's not that difficult as long as you know your steps or what your fade's supposed to look like. Now, we usually does a 4 on top, so after I did that, usually I would start with my top, but I didn't this time. Like I said, I trick myself. I do different things all the time to keep myself sharp. So right now I'm going over it with a 4, and then I'll throw a 2 guard on, and where that parietal ridge curves into the side, I'll just kind of hit that and knock out that heavy weight line. As you guys can see now, that heavy weight line's getting lifted, and it's starting to look like a seamless blend right now. It's starting to look very blurry. It looks dope. So for the purpose of this video, I did it in real time on this side. When I go to the other side, it's actually just going to play real quick. I did a time lapse on it, so it plays a lot quicker, but you guys will be able to see that I use the same exact steps both ways, the same way I do it all the time. Throw the 1.5, throw the 1, I'll throw the 16th, I'll take that guard off, I'll go open, closed, trimmer, shaver. And remember, I'm not the type of person that likes to knock into hairlines, so I keep my hairlines nice, what they are. I don't push anything back. Never push hairlines back, guys. I'm telling you, don't push hairlines back. That is the biggest thing that I could try to touch you in any sort of way is don't push hairlines back. Even if it's an 1/8, a 16th, don't push it back. Leave it where it is. So as you guys can see, I sped up this side like I said I was going to. When I'm done doing this, I'll show you guys how I just hit the edges with the enhancements. And this is how we work from top to bottom. In this video, I'm showing you guys how to fade from top to bottom. So I hope you guys get something from this. And if you guys have any questions, go in the comments, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you guys learn something from this video. As you can see, I'm using a different variety of clippers. Right now I'm just detailing just the corners of my blade, just flicking dark spots out. Now I got my hair enhancements, just darkening it up a little bit. Like I said, I'm not about pushing hairlines back. I'd rather enhance it, make it a little dark, but I do not paint my fades. I only stay where my lineup is. I'm not about painting the side of the head, painting the back of his head. I see a lot of barbers down Florida, everywhere. I'm not even to say like down Florida, everywhere, where their haircuts look good, but after they get out the showers, it looks terrible. So enhancements do hide mistakes, but I'm not about hiding mistakes. I'm about creating things natural hairlines, and hitting it a tiny bit with enhancements just to make it pop. But that's really all I'm about. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys check me out. You guys could always use 730G Wheezy on S.CRAFT Gamma website to get you discounts. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, and hope to see you guys soon. Next Monday, I'll drop a new video for you guys every Monday, 7:30 in the morning. Peace.